In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your iPad Air is not charging. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just grab the charger of your iPad and check if it is damaged or not. Also check the charging adapter and make sure that both of them are working. Also make sure to use Apple's original charger with your iPad, as if you use a third-party charger or a charger which is not supported by Apple, this can damage your iPad. Now after you've made sure that your charger is working, then just grab your iPad and check its charging port. Now if you find any dust or debris stuck in the charging port, just use a soft brush to clean the charging port. Also, if you have applied any case to your iPad, just remove the case, because sometimes iPad cases might not let the charging cable to plug properly into the charging port. Now after you've done all of that, and if your issue is still not fixed, then just perform a forced restart on your iPad. To do that, just grab your iPad, then press and release the volume up and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button of your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now after the forced restart process is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Battery. Over here, just scroll down and tap on Battery Health. Now on this page, just check if the limit is enabled or not. If the charging limit is enabled, just turn it off. Now just select Set Limit to 100%. Now after you do that, your iPad will not limit the charge of the battery to 80%. When this feature is enabled, your iPad will automatically stop the charging of the battery when your battery reaches to 80%. So make sure you disable this feature so you could charge the battery to 100%. After that, just tap on General. And over here, just tap on Software Update. Now just check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPad. After you do that, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go back to General Settings. From here, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Then tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You will just reset all the settings of your iPad in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if you have done all of that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPad. Just take your iPad to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix if your iPad Air is not charging. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.